do you spend your allowance in 1 week? I go to the GS25 first. Then I go Emart and with my friends, and I buy teddy bear. First, I go to the GS25. It is because GS25 have my favorite snacks and foods. And I buy chocolate milk snacks and triangle gimbap. Also, I eat that with my family and friends. Then I buy ice cream at market. Second, I go Emart with my friends. It is because we can buy many things at Emart. Also, my friends like shopping, but I always buy some things them, so I can use 10,000 once. Also, I can buy my snacks too. However, my friends always steal my snacks. Third, I buy teddy bear. It is because I very like teddy bear, and I once buy teddy bear long time ago. But if I buy it, my mom angry to me because my mom doesn't like to buy dolls. In conclusion, I go to the GS25, then I go Emart with my friends, and I buy teddy bear. It is because GS25 have my favorite snacks and food, and we can buy many things at Emart. Also, I very like teddy bear. Thank you for listening to my presentation.